Nah, dude, I just got off work and I'm getting ready to put in Modern Warfare 3. Yeah, man, I love that game. I just got it too. I've been waiting forever. Yeah, well, I bought a chair and everything, dude. I'm set. Yeah, did you get one? Hello? Hello? What the fuck?
Your Xbox has just red ringed.
Tools needed for fixing: hammer, big Phillips head, flathead, and small Phillips head, and a broken Xbox. And an RC car.
Stems from this assembly. Unscrew all screws. Actually, this one will work. Never mind, it's too big. Okay, so we figured out that you have to strip out all the where all the screws go in order to break the fix the Xbox. So next you got to pull off all this shit. There's another one right here, but this one's difficult to get to. There it is. Oh, this one might not. Oh. So next you want to get your hammer here and take off this front piece. Alright, so you gotta split the top and bottom pieces off. And I don't even know what the hell to do next. I guess you just take all this shit apart. I think all these come off. Yeah, so that's your disc tray, and all that shit comes off. Right there, that's your fans, and I reckon that this is your main board thing. If you damn it. Okay, so next you gotta fucking pop that fucking fan off right there. And I'm guessing it's clipped on there. Yeah, it's clipped. And so now you're gonna plug up your electrical cord. And wait, where's the power button at?
And do what? What are you doing?
You gotta press that. Yeah, so I really don't know how to fix the rest of it. So that's the red ring of death. You wanna get a...
Yeah, so that's like basically how you fix it, and it's just like amazing. Beautiful.